Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant Van9001 on Windows 11. To start, enable TPM and Insecure Boot Mode. Then, change it from Custom to Standard. Now enable Secure Boot. After that, enable TPM 2.0 by entering BIOS. Now you need to turn off the PC. Then press F2. Now restart your PC. Search for FTPM and enable it. Press F10 to save it. Now enable Secure Boot again. From here, change your Secure Boot mode from Custom to Standard. After that, save it. Again, restart your PC. Your Valorant Van9001 issue is now fixed for Windows 11. And that's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.